Ho ho, you gorgeous people of the interwebs. I hope you're having a fandabby daisy festive day. Today, I've just got out of the shower, that's why I look a bit pink of cheek. Just got out of the shower, using my Simple Human mirror. Thank you, Claire. I'll have your channel linked down below. Claire had just bought herself the same mirror, as had another one of my lovely subscribers, C. They both bought them, and they both said that they've been using them for a few weeks and they absolutely love those Simple Human mirrors. So good to know that other people I know are loving using them, because it means I've made the right choice in going for it. And thank you, Claire, for the for the advice on how to use the thing. Dimming the light and how to switch it off manually and stuff is brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. It seems to be sensitive enough to know when it's a face approaching it and not really if someone's just walking past it. So I don't know how they do that. It is witchcraft, but I am here for it. We are going to go and hit up Westfield today, shopping centre. It's going to be Westfield Stratford City, not the Westfield in kind of, I think it's central London. It's got all the Louis and everything. It's got John Lewis. So I'm excited about going to John Lewis, and we are going mostly because we want to look and find some more decorations. We don't feel like we've got enough decorations downstairs. We haven't filled the space that is available to us, and we would like more. So we're going to go and have a look and see what the decorations are like in person. Maybe pick up a couple of things, or maybe then come home and order a couple of things, who knows. But then obviously we are going to look around the other shops as well. So we're going to take you with us. The advent calendar for today, there's only 3 left, is going to be this one. This came pre-wrapped. It says Merry Christmas. Oh, look, GIN-GLE all the way. Oh, it's nicely wrapped. Look at that. There we go. Just undo it like that. A little bit of string. This is Tide's Fortune Essex Dry Gin. They are just around the corner from us. Didn't realise that it was going to come wrapped in this lovely tissue paper. We're going to need a glass of that when we get home, I should think. Hello, Daisy. Are you quite comfortable there on the pink chair? Are you? Are you quite comfortable? Hello. Oh, instant purr whenever she sees me, that cat. Oh, I love you. You're so cute, aren't you? Hello. Oh, yeah, sniff, sniff, sniff. So we'll do their advent calendar when we get back. And this is my outfit for the day. This is a very, very old H&M t-shirt. It is cropped to the waist, not above the waist, but it's not a long enough one to really tuck in. It's got this gorgeous Love Struck embroidery. I'm going to pair it with one of my mint velvet denim skirts. I thought these were exactly the same, but you can see there is a length difference, and despite them being the same size, there is a considerable, so they line up on that side, a considerable waist difference. So although I've got them both out, I'm pretty sure I'm going to go with the blue one because it's a little bit looser on the waist. So I'll wear that with my Gucci belt. I was going to go for my Fendi Zucca print because it's light, easy to carry, but it's supposed to rain. And because it's supposed to rain, I am going to take a rainproof bag, and I'm going to take Miss Gucci. And then I think I'm going to wear my M&S black lug boots because I just can't get enough of them. I think they're the most comfortable thing to walk around in. And probably my Barber shorts quilted jacket. It's another one that's kind of down-filled, so it's really nice and warm, but because I'm only going to wear a t-shirt under it, then it'll keep me nice and warm if it needs to, and it is a little bit rainproof. escalator review of Popeyes. What do you think?
Excellent. It's gone in my number one.
Number
it's not
one.
Slim chickens off the top. It's gone in number one. I love the batter. I love the taste. Yeah.
The batter was excellent. The only thing I would say is my burger was a little bit on the drippy side, a bit too much sauce. Stopping for a little refuel with hot chocolates. At Costa, I always go for the Black Forest Gâteau, or the Black Cherry Black Forest Gâteau. And you've got After Eight minty hot chocolate, which comes with the After Eight mint. Is it good?
It's like mint aero.
We've got a new star for, right.
Do I look like Statue of Liberty?
Maybe. My New York friends, let us know. Would he pass muster? Okay, so we're going to try and put this, which is still fairly hefty. Oh, look at you getting all the YouTube actions. It's where the whole tree comes down, isn't it?
What are you saying about my ability to do stuff like this?
So we picked up these two hanging decorations as well. We've got a shooting star because, well, they're very pretty. And we've seen loads of shooting stars since we've been here. We had one night where we saw loads sitting out in the back garden in the pitch dark. It was beautiful. And a lightning bolt with little stars on. There they are. I do like these sort of blown glass decorations. I think they're really cute. These are the lights we got to go over the archway, not archway. We'll give that a go now. They work and they're up and they look cute. I don't know if I want to put tinsel around them now or if I just want to leave the lights like that. They're very pretty, aren't they? It's Kitty's Advent Calendar time. I'm going to do something a little bit different today, seeing as the Lion and I are going to be having a little drinky poo in a moment. I'm going to put their treats in these shot glasses and then, yeah, let's see how that goes. We are on 19 and 20. 19's here and 20's up here. I did actually look before switching the camera on for a change. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. There's only 4 in that one. There's been 5 in all of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's weird. There's only 4 in that one as well. Kitten's Advent Calendar. Shots Styly. Daisy, look. Daisy, what's that? Lily, yeah. Oh, what's that? Oh. Oh, Lily. You come over here. Lily, Lily, Lily. Oh, Daisy, Daisy. Are you ready? Okay. I think you're positioned quite well. Lily, this one. Daisy. Lily. Lily, come on. Lily, come this side. No. Here we go. Come on, Daisy. Daisy, get in there. Daisy, get in there. Daisy. Your sister's going to eat them. Come on. Not exactly how I saw it going. We're going to do it, kids. We're going to have a little drinky poo to finish off the day. Sing it with me, kids. Free pouring. Okay, this is the new Tides Fortune Essex Dry Gin. Pouring. Lovely, jubbly. Slice of orange to go with this. Delicious. Coke for the lion. Discovered this new, well, I don't know if it's new, but we discovered this tonic water, Double Dutch. Cheers.